A lot of people dreams of getting rich, but they are unable to achieve this goal. In spite of earning bag full of money, they are still broken and poor. Actually, for getting rich, your money habits are responsible. In this video, I will tell 9 money habits which will make you rich in 2023. 1. Create an emergency fund. A fundamental component of perfect money management is having 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an account that is simple to access. You never know what the future will bring, as COVID has taught us, therefore it's important to have enough cash on hand to cover your expenses if you are unable to work. Furthermore, having an emergency fund ensures that you have money on hand to deal with unforeseen events like replacing the fridge or needing pricey auto repairs. In doing so, you could avoid having to charge a significant cost to a credit card that would later charge you a high interest rate. 2. Follow a spending plan. Making a budget, which is the cornerstone of wise money management, will help you properly manage your finances and help you steer clear of any unwelcome and unforeseen financial calamities. You'll feel more at ease since you'll be confident in your ability to cover your necessary costs without mistakenly going over budget. There are several effective strategies of creating a budget. One such strategy is the 50-30-20 rule. Here, 50% of your earning is used for tax payments, expenses on food, and other household expenses. 30% is used for your education and investment or debt repayment, and 20% is strictly used for keeping in savings. Do subscribe our channel if you want to get regular financial tips. 3. Consistently review your finances. Setting aside time once or twice a month to properly review your money can rapidly turn it into a habit. This means it will be simpler to stay on top of the money you make and outgoings expenses. Additionally, it means that you'll be able to see any irregularities with your accounts more immediately, such as if you've been scammed and you weren't aware of it. This habit is actually the soul of all the habits. If you don't look at how your financial life is going, then you are actually creating big trap for yourself. As I told, if anyone would take away money from you in a secret way or if you are going out of your budget, then only this habit will save you and bring you in the right path. 4. Create or update a retirement plan. Developing the practice of being informed about your pension's performance is a great idea whether you're beginning a new pension or evaluating an old one. It will assist you in determining if the income it is anticipated to generate will be sufficient to sustain the kind of retirement lifestyle you desire. If it doesn't, go to a financial consultant who may be able to help you build your pension to the required amount. Again, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 5. Implement the 30-day rule. This is an excellent habit to get into if you want to stop making purchases that you'll regret later. Instead of succumbing to impulse buying when you find an item you want, promise yourself that you'll buy it if you continue to desire it after 30 days. Make sure you're taking the time to consider why you desire it throughout the time frame. If at the end of it you still want to buy it, you're more probable to feel good about the purchase and not experience buyer's regret. 6. Remain informed about your finances. You may be made aware of information you need to know as well as financial possibilities you might wish to seize by reading news items on personal finance and money. Reading at least one book about money every year is a further smart move. By doing this, you could have a greater grasp of how for making your money work more effectively for you and gain knowledge about investing that might be useful. A different approach is to regularly watch YouTube videos. If you are feeling bored and sleepy while reading books or articles, you can consider watching videos. This approach will make you more interested to the topic. You may watch our videos every day since we daily update individuals with news and advice on finances. 7. Don't just pay the minimum amount due on your credit cards. You will normally have to pay interest, and maybe a lot of it, if your credit card balance is not paid off at the end of each month. Instead, if you can develop the practice of paying off the balance at the end of each month, you won't often pay interest. You can do one more thing: you may adopt the habit of paying your debts before time. This may seem difficult at the starting of few months, but as time will pass you will find that you are actually not feeling any pressure of paying your credit card balances or any other debts. 8. Establish a regular transfer into a savings account. Although setting money away for savings is a wonderful idea, occasionally we forget to do so or wind up using it for other purposes. Many times after you receive your paycheck and forget to put some money for savings, yes, this happens. My friend named Eris used to put almost $1,000 for his savings, but one single month he forgot, and soon this forgetting became his habit and he saw his savings going down day by day. He also used to spend that money on useless luxuries. Well, you won't have to remember to do it, and the temptation to spend it as could be lessened by setting up an automated transfer into a savings account, ideally shortly after payday. 9. Engage a financial planner. A financial expert may assist you in developing a wealth plan that may enable you to achieve your short and long-term financial objectives in the most tax-efficient manner. More than that, they provide you confidence that your financial approach is sound and can guide you in making choices you'll probably come to appreciate later. You may feel that you are wasting money uselessly on a financial advisor, but actually you are not. He or she can help you in saving money as well as guide you in opening new side businesses. Previously, I used to take my own financial decisions, but once I made a mistake and lost over $20,000. From that day, I started to consult every financial decision with my advisor. That's it for today. To know more financial tips and tricks, do subscribe our channel and also like this video. One like and subscribe motivates us to make more new videos.